Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a turkey treat jar out of napkins. For the materials, you'll need a piece of orange paper, 3 different color napkins, googly eyes, glue dots or some sort of adhesive, jute twine, scissors, and a jar. First, stagger all 3 of your napkins right side down. Then put your jar filled with treats in the middle and scrunch up around it. Take the jute twine and tie a bow to keep them together. Then glue the eyes onto the front. After that, cut a small triangle out of the orange paper. Glue it underneath the eyes for the beak. And that's it! It's so cute and easy and would make an awesome treat for your kids or even your own Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.